Need to replace John Deere 717A ztrak Kawasaki engine. No compression on one side. Mower in good condition. Have searched around, hard to find, what engine replaces this 19 horsepower. Would like to have a larger HP on it. Engine.No. FH601346767 John Deere TC717X010434. Also cost and sites can go to compare.
Your unfortunate problem here is that this was on a John Deere machine. When John Deere purchases these engines from Kawasaki, they have an agreement that Kawasaki will not supply support or parts for the engines. You have to go back to John Deere for support or parts. If you take your original engine information into any other Kawasaki dealer, that dealer can number 39, lookup parts or get pricing on because of this John Deere/Kawasaki agreement. I have been able to pull you 4 different engine models that would work on that 717A machine, but I can number 39, give you pricing. Due to the agreement, you will have to go back to a John Deere dealer for pricing. Engines that are a direct replace for this machine are: 1. FH601V, AS282. FH601V, ES283. FH601V, AS324. FH601V, VS32. These are all direct replacements for the engine that you currently have. Now, if you want to do a little bit of extra work, let in number 39, find out your original crankshaft diameter and length on PTO side. Did you have remote throttle and choke controls? We can use this information to see if we can find a larger engine that will work in place of your original.
Thanks for info. What brand are these engines? I live on Maui, Hawaii. Only one John Deere dealer, then they have things all sewn up, like a car salesman, out to get you. Was thinking of repairing engine, but since it's somewhat obsolete, a new one is the ticket. Am repairing this for a friend. Can't measure crank diameter or length due to pulleys in way. Have manual throttle and choke controls. If can, info on a larger engine would be great, even though I could not give much info. Hope to hear from you. Aloha, John Koska.
These are all Kawasaki engines. This keeps it simple. You just remove your original engine, drop one of these in place and take off running. If you start switching engine brands, you will have to do some additional wiring in order to make them work. The only way that we can search for larger engine is to have your crankshaft information from the original engine. You can remove the pulleys, take some measurements and get back to me if you would like. Otherwise, the list of engines that I have provided are the same size, HP, and should be a direct replacement, so that little if any additional work would have to be done to make them work.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.